Hey everyone, welcome back to the Up and Down Garage Doors channel, your trusted source for garage door tips and repairs across the USA. Today, we're tackling a common issue, a garage door remote that's not working. The solution is often simpler than you think. It just needs a new battery. We'll show you how to replace it in a few easy steps. A dead or low battery is the most frequent reason for a non-responsive garage door remote. Before you call a technician, try this quick DIY fix. It can save you time and money, getting you back on track in minutes. A new battery. Check your remote's manual for the correct type. A small screwdriver or a flat object, like a coin. Open the remote case. Use a screwdriver or coin to gently pry open the case. Look for a small notch or seam on the side. Remove the old battery. Carefully take out the old battery. Note its orientation, which side is facing up, so you can install the new one correctly. Insert the new battery. Place the new battery in the remote, making sure the positive side is facing the same way the old one was. Close the case. Snap the remote case back together securely. Now, test your remote. Your garage door should now open and close with ease. If your remote still isn't working or you have other garage door issues, our team is ready to help. Contact us or visit our website. Thanks for watching. For more DIY tips and expert advice, subscribe and hit the bell icon. We'll see you in the next video.